Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, guys, we are doing a Cheeryz haul, a big one. I've got this humongous box and it's actually quite heavy from Cherryz to go through. Guys, before we get into the video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and do all the YouTubey things and leave your comments in this comment section below. You all know I love to hear from you. Guys, this box was kindly gifted to me from Cherryz. They have also been extremely kind and given me a 25% off discount code for first time users. The code is MarthallaC, so MARTHALLAC, all lowercase, 25 to get off your first Cherryz order. How cool is that? So take advantage of it, folks. It's all about super saving here on this channel. Don't forget to check in every Sunday as well for my super saving cash stuff on Sundays. And guys, let's open this box because I can't even remember what I got. Now, the shipping was extremely quick. It literally was like, I placed the order at 11 o'clock. It was a half 11. It was really late at night anyway. And I had it like within 48 hours. Like literally, it was even less than 48 hours because it wasn't the next day because obviously that'd be like pushing it. But it was the next morning after that. So literally super speedy delivery. Super speedy. So guys, let's get into it and see what we got. Now, I do know what I got. Like obviously, I put the order in. Oh, I don't remember everything I got. Right, hold on, this box is hard to open. So guys, in this haul, I know I got a lot of cleaning stuff because obviously we're moving. So I have a lot of cleaning to do. Okay, I'm just going to put this down here because I reckon I'm going to run out of space. Okay. Let me see. Oh my god. Oh wow, okay. Gosh, right. So first things first. Right, so I just got a load of like random cleaning things and just like I didn't pick up any Christmas things, even though I know it's near Christmas and they had some lovely things. I did get maybe one little Christmas thing. But for the most part I got was things that I'm actually going to use and need in the next couple of weeks as we move. God knows where we're moving. Like this thing is all up in the air. I'll do a update with y'all soon because a lot of things have happened. But anyhow, getting back to my haul, darlings, my haul. So I picked these up for the boys. These are the Athena 3 mesh sponges, just because yeah, I thought they'd be really handy for the boys. So I just got them these. They're just, and they're small enough for them as well. So they're not like the big ones that I have. They're like nice hand size for them. So they were £1 for the 3 of them, which was amazing value, I think. So very happy about that. I also got this, it's a Dishmatic Scrubby. Now, I've never seen one before with this, like the scrubbing thing, and I hate the feel of that. It feels really gritty. So when I saw it on this, I was like, that is just genius that this actually comes, well, on this and now on a handle, so now I don't have to actually touch the bloody thing. And this one was only £1.25, and this is removable as well. So it's like the normal Dishmatic, so you can remove it. I just don't like the feel of it. There we go. So you can remove it. How handy is that? And then just replace as necessary. So I was like, have to get myself one of them. They're just amazing. Again, £1.25, bargain. Now, what else did I get? I also got this Domestos Zero Lime Scale Toilet Cleaner. I don't know what scent it is. Oh, lime. That should be nice and fresh. This was £1.50. So it was like, that's really good value for that. 750 mils as well. So, yeah, it's quite good. I also got this. This is Astonish Antibacterial Surface Cleanser. I got it in the scent Pomegranate and Raspberry. I really like Astonish products. I find they're really, really good and they actually do the job, and they're not expensive. Like Astonish, I remember when I used to live in Ireland, Astonish products, because we'd have to get them in from the UK, and I remember there used to be there was a catalogue that you had to buy them on, and it was so hard to get Astonish products. But now like Cherryz are doing them, and I think this one was only £1. Let me see, how much was this one? This is a surface cleanser. £1, lads. Honestly, like you couldn't go wrong. Beautiful scent as well, like pomegranate and raspberry, to be real fresh. I also got what's that? Oh yeah, I also got this Lenore Outdoorable Fresh as if dried outside. I have seen these in the shops before, but this one was a lot more affordable. This is only £2 and I get 33 washes in this. So this was more affordable for me to be able to get it. So I was like, fair enough. £2 is a lot better than me paying over the odds for it. Now I also got this thing because I've never seen one of these before, and I was like, I hate cleaning my microwave. I hear you do. It's just one of those really irritating things. But this, I was like, I can do this. This is a little Crazy Chef microwave cleaner. So what you do is you put some vinegar and water inside him, and then he's got a little top. Let me see if I can open it. Yeah. So you put vinegar and water, it says, into the top of him. Okay, so it's a little hole down in there. And you put it in the microwave and you leave it on for 6 minutes, and then you just wipe clean. Happy days. Plus it'll be sterile because of the vinegar. So that was £3. That was, I think, one of the more expensive things that I got. But yeah, brilliant. Brilliant. And it's an unusual product as well. It's not something that I've seen before. So, and I also got the fridge version of it, which is the Cool Chef refrigerator deodorizer. I think these are really, really, really handy. So you have to put, I think it's the baking soda. Yeah. So I was like, why not? This is so handy. Not that my fridge stinks or anything, but I just like things to be clean. Clean, clean, clean. And it would be no harm to have them in there. I also got, what else did I get? Got this Fabulosa disinfectant. This was only £1 as well. I love the Fabulosa ones. And this was Black Cherry Merlot. So, yeah. Give that a go. Black cherry is a real nice kind of like a Christmassy fragrance, if you will. I also got this Linen Fresh Astonish Concentrated Disinfectant. This was, I think, £1 as well. Let me see. Yeah, this was £1, and I actually have the spray bottle of this, and it's amazing scent. I spray it on everything. Just so fresh and so clean. This is the clean linen, or linen fresh rather. This is the Linen Fresh one. I just love the scent of it. It's so nice. Let me see what the Black Cherry Merlot smells like. Oh god, it's very well wrapped up. Oh my, this is for that one. We'll leave it. I know it's going to smell amazing anyhow. Cherry is always a really nice fragrance. Oh yeah, I also got these Green Shield bathroom surface wipes for £1. I just thought these were handy to have for cleaning bathrooms. You get like 70 in it. Yeah, 70 large wipes. So I was like, yes please. Love me wipes for cleaning bathrooms. Also got this Astonish Toilet Bowl Fizz and Fresh from Astonish again. I have used these before. They're amazing. I love them. Just pop them in every other night or so. And it's just to keep the lime scale from building up on the bottom of the toilet, because I hate that look. So yeah, for £1 lads, like, you get 8 tablets. That'll do the best part of like a month. So happy days. I also picked up this Juice Bank car vent phone holder. I just thought it was really cute. And this one came in at £3, I believe. But I just thought it was really cute. I don't have one of these for the car. So, you know, why not? And it stretches out. So, yeah, something different. I also got this polish from Fabulosa. This is in the scent Intense, which I haven't actually smelt before, but it's for wood, glass, metal and plastic. And I just thought like it would be very, very handy to have, you know, with the whole cleaning process that I'm going to be doing in the next couple of weeks, just to make sure everything's nice and clean before we leave. And this was £1 as well. Then I got this grout, what is this? This is a grout cleaner for tiles. So especially like in our bathroom, you know, in that itty bit, it's these little sponges. These were £1 as well. I think there's a set of 3 in here, or 4. So 4 in there. So I was like, for £4 for 4 sponges for £1, like, great. Helps remove black spots and lime scales. So yeah, I'm very interested in trying them and seeing how they work out. I'm sure they'll be fine. I also got this anti-slip mat. It's an anti-slip draining mat for £1.60. So it's just like this little plastic thing. And I also got this other thing, which I think was £1.60 as well. It's a super soft drying mat. But I love these. So I get, because sometimes my kitchen's really small, so I only have a certain amount of space I can use. Oh, the chair's really creaky, isn't it? So I only have a certain amount of space I can use. So I put one of these out, and then I put this out to the far side on the drain side, so that it all just kind of goes down, all the water goes down, but it doesn't lodge. Because I find when you don't have something to lay your cups on, the water just coagulates underneath them, and then you lift it up and all the water just comes out. So sooner them actually get properly dry. So these are a godsend. And then this is really good as well, just for making stuff dry quicker, I find. So I've got them too as well. I've got Space Raiders. They have food. They have literally everything on this app, guys. Honestly, this app is amazing. They have food. They have detergents. They are literally a little mini supermarket in your app. And it's just so easy to order from them. So Space Raiders, these were about £1. What else did I get? Oh yeah. Oh, I had to buy these when I see them, because I was like, I haven't had these biscuits in such a long time. And if you're Irish, living abroad, if you know, you know. Jam mallows! Ah! And I got these ones. So these ones are not the same as the jam mallows, but coconut creams. I think these are just mallows. But in Ireland, we used to have these, and they were called, you used to have your Kimberley, your Mikado, and your coconut creams. But they've all changed the name on them now. But if you're old school, you know, they used to be, I think it was it Jacobs that used to do them back in the day? It's Boland's now, but the Kimberleys were like a ginger biscuit, and then they had like a mallow in the middle, and then more ginger, and then there'd be like sugar kind of pressed into the spongy biscuity bit on the top. They were lovely. They were my dad's favourite. These were me and my sister's favourite. And these were like, oh my God, we used to get a pack of these every weekend. Like, honestly, between my sister and my brother, my two brothers as well. Actually, between my dad, myself, my sister, and my two brothers, like, this was gold. These were our favourite biscuits. And they were only ever gotten at the weekend after Mass. And you'd only go to Mass because you wanted to get the biscuits afterwards, because they were... These are, oh Jesus, these are divine. And they're now my kids' favourites as well. So when I saw them, I had to get them. As I said, guys, if you're Irish, if you know, you know. These were only like £1 each as well. Like everything on this app is so affordable. So, you know. And now, guys, you got your 25%. Oh, I got you. I also picked up a packet of gloves because, you know. And I always get them. I know my hand is a size medium because I've done the thingy. It gives you a little measurer here. So I am a size M. But I like them to be bigger because I don't want to be pulling them off. If I have to run to break up a fight with my kids, I want to be able to slip them off first quick. So yeah, these are cotton lined, soft and non-slip. These are from the brand Elbow Grease. Now I do know Elbow Grease have done other detergents and stuff. I haven't used them, haven't tried them before. So I'm looking forward to trying the Elbow Grease rubber gloves. That's interesting. What else did I pick up? What's this now? Oh yeah. Guys, they even have beauty on this website. Like, this is literally like bomb.com. They have beauty. I got the St. Moritz tanning mousse in dark, which is what I normally use. I think it was £4. Yeah, something like that. Again, like, how handy is that? You could pick up all these products in the one place. Like, just chef's kiss. I also got this XBC Cocoa Butter Cream, nourishes and softens dry skin. I just like to have these hanging around my kitchen. I always have hand creams or lotions and potions hanging in the corners, just because I like to, you know, reach for them. I know this brand. I've used their hair care. Oh my Lord. Whew, that is divine. And I have used their hair care before and I find them absolutely brilliant. So I thought I'd give the cocoa butter cream a go. I also got another set of biscuits. These are the lemon puffs. I love these and I rarely ever see them in the shops. So guys, if you're looking for, like, you know, like some of the more quirkier biscuits that you can't always get in the shops, like, check out the Cherryz app, because chances are they have them. I mean, they had my, what are the jam mallows and coconut mallow cakes from Lyons's and from Boland's, but they have a great range of Boland's in there as well. So check that out, because I got the lemon puffs as well. They're delicious. I also got, the Elbow Grease washing up liquid. I was going to get the fairy one, which is what I normally use, but I said, you know what, I'm going to try this and I've heard good things about it. So we're going to give that one a go. I also got, for a little miss, it's the Matey Bubble Bath Adventures. These are hypoallergenics, so I just thought it'd be kind of cute bottle for her as well. Got her that. I got the boys and myself some banana splits. These are Walker's toffees made with whole milk. I had seen these before somewhere, and they're gluten-free as well, which means I can have them, which is brilliant. Even though I'll have the biscuits as well, but trust me, I'll pay for it afterwards. And banana split eclairs, like, oh, divine. Absolute divine, guys. So I thought I'd get a pack of them as well. I also picked myself up a caramel lattes. I've had these before and they're gorgeous. These are so nice. These are like one of my favourites. But again, hard to find in some of the shops. So yeah, got them off there. And my last little thing, which was kind of like my Christmas thing. I know I didn't do any Christmassy stuff here, but I might do a Christmas haul with them again soon. I just got this mug because I just thought it was so cute. I have an owl teapot and I just thought this would be ever so cute. It's from the brand Mad About Mugs and it comes with this little protector on the bottom and everything. Like, how cute. So like, you know, it doesn't get damaged in transit. Absolutely fabulous. Bone china. Microwave and dishwasher safe. I always check that when it comes to mugs because I like mugs, like I collect them. But everything has to have a memory with me with a mug. So this will be my memory of Cherryz giving me that fantastic discount for you guys of 25%. Don't forget to check it out. Discount code is Marthalla C, MARTHALLAC, all lowercase, 25, and send that off and get them bargains, guys. Get them bargains. And thank you, Cherryz, so much for being my first discount. Oh, so excited. Anyhow, guys, I hope you like this little haul because it's a big haul. It's not even little. I went to town. Yeah, because I needed all these things. Like, you know, when you run out, it's just so handy to pick up your app and when you're at night and just purchase your things. And now you've got a discount code so you can do it even cheaper. So guys, I'm going to love you and leave you. Thank you again so much for tuning in, sticking around and seeing my haul and watching all the things. I shall talk to you in the next one. Don't forget to stay tuned to Sundays. Catch stuff on Sunday. And yeah, I'll talk to you all then. Bye!